Yo, my people, welcome to my channel. This is your boy here, Maz. This is a channel where we talk everything great adventure, family moments, and anything in between. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, join the family, share the link, make sure everyone gets into the channel because we'll share a lot of insights. You learn a lot, and drop a comment if you need me to talk about anything. Let me know. I'm all ears. Let's get this ball rolling. Okay, let me just make sure my microphone is working fine. Is it on? Yep, checks out good. Um, I've decided to prep some meal for my missus and kids. I'll do a salad. I don't know what they call it, but it's just a salad. Probably do a bit of chicken strips and just a bit of salad there and there. Put some dressing in for the missus, and then I'll do the what do I do? Some pizza, maybe pizza for the boys and the little girl, the naughty little girl. So let's get the ball rolling, guys. Uh, what first? The salad first. The salad. It has to be the salad. Kulele pupo lizolo feseka standalini. Camera working. Sorry about that, guys. I just wanted to make sure my motion detector is working perfectly fine. Good, it's working. It's working. It's working, guys. Just bear with me for a minute. Yep, let's get this ball rolling. Yeah. Phesheya ngolwandle, lwandle lase-Dubai. Then we're gonna use some feta cheese again. Use some feta cheese for your salad. Okay, I'll use this feta cheese. We got this from Woolies yesterday. No, not Woolies. My bad. No, I think it was Food Lovers. Food Lovers Market. What else? I'll add a bit of onion to it to give it some taste. Here's the chicken. A bit of chicken. Where's the bowl? There, where do you put the bowl? Some bowl so that I can defrost the meat. Huh? Thank you very much. Baby, you are destroying my content. No, just smile for the camera. Baby, come back. Uh, just smile for the camera. Say hi.
Because I wanted to say hi to your people and you hi people. Where are they going?
Terence, bring my wallet. He's gonna buy some stuff for his brother. Hey, Manabi, you've changed a lot of things. Where's the chopping board now?
Hey guys, I was cleaning. So I changed the arrangement.
What are you going to buy? Sellotape? You need covers. Don't look, you'll go blind. This should be enough. Covers, sellotape, 2-liter Coke for lunch. Just write down. so that you don't forget some stuff. No, they've said you've said hi. You can go now. The space is not enough for two people, baby. Ish. You don't have a relax someone being to treat her hair. Ish, now I don't feel like going out. Anyway, I'll just go. Then why don't you call that other one at the Humudira? No, it's easy. It makes life easy because now I wouldn't have to go out. She's not, even if she doesn't go out to do her hair today. Just some Coke for lunch. How do you write silotape? I'll just do it. No, the link. Covers. Chocolate. Chocolate. I guess that would be enough. 100 Ma, you want some apple? Let me wash it for you first. You want to say hi to the camera? Come and say hi. And then tell them what your name is. I get. Ah, Relo, guys. Relo. Okay, there you go. Wanna go and sit down. I was thinking what getting said the cheese that we have in the fridge. What I got cheese say? Just bring some cheese, Terence. Oh, I'm not gonna do much of the meat in the salad. And if I should use the air fryer, I'll just fry this with the stove. And just do a bit of, add a bit of thyme. Just have to work with what I have. What? What's that one? You done? Yes. How are you? How are you? Go and watch your cartoons for mom. Hey, go Wanak. Love you. My. You didn't kiss me when I do. Come back. Do. A kiss for daddy. Love you. Good girl. Good girl. Good music. Good music, my people. Good music. Uh, Ulele, young guy. It's taking forever to do this chicken. Fuck's sake. There we go. Good. This is all I need. I'm not gonna put too much chicken into the salad. I'd rather do more veggies than chicken. Just a bit of chicken will do. Baby, I'm not gonna do too much chicken. I'm just gonna do a bit of chicken and then put the veggie and then the salad. There we go. My hands. Ejectors. Sundays are family time, prep meals for the family before I head out. So it is what it is. All the waste will go in here. This is my waste pack. Chicken is good. I need the air fryer now. Nyusa, bulele yonke. Then where do you put the foil airline on air fryer? Which one? The last one. I'll put the chicken outside. Daughter, hey, don't. What is mama doing? Is she sleeping? Baby, what's the word of the day? Love your family. Word of the day. So, word of the day, love your family, love your kids, love yourself, express yourself in different ways, and most importantly, spend time with your loved ones. It doesn't matter how much you have, you might have little or close to nothing, but your family will always remember you not being there for them, you being away most of the time. My missus doesn't like spices on a salad. I'll just put some rice salt on the meat. Just a bit of rice salt to get it up a little bit. I'm not sure. I'll just check my emails after I'm done cooking. Izwa imithandazo yabantwana bakho, ehlisa umoya wakho wempumelelo. Izwa imithandazo yabantu. No, don't open that. Mama was gonna beat you. Grace, don't, don't. It's a big no. It's a big no, my girl. It's a big no. Azwa yabantwana bakho. That's enough. No, no. Go and sit down. Watch some cartoons. Rama the cartoons. Rama, Rama, SpongeBob or no Coco on the TV. Hey, I don't like using cooking oil, so that's my. There you go. Where did you buy the spray? Go Food Lovers. The one for baking. Yeah, she got this at Food Lovers Market also. It's like a personal important shop or something. Just coat the meat with this. I love the smell. Breathtaking. Breathtaking. Air fryer. We just want to fry this for a few minutes and then 10 minutes tops and then let me just show you guys. Like this. Just so this. So I'm gonna prep it for maybe, okay, sorry about that. I was just tuning my music. I'm just gonna do 15 or maybe 10 minutes. Uh, okay, at 200 degrees. So this is good enough for me. And then I'll start it up. She's up and running. She's up and running. So there we go, guys. There we go. There. Nice and clean. I like doing things nice and clean. So what's next? The meat is getting ready while we eat it. Um, prep the veg will start deep. So while the meat is getting ready in the fryer, I'll just let me just tune my music a bit. So once the meat is getting ready, we'll just clean up the dishes, wash up while we've used like a chopping boards. I like it clean, nice and clean. So I don't like a dirty kitchen. It doesn't like resemble who I am. Um, so I'll start washing off the dishes. Just a plate, the one that I use for defrosting the meat, and then the chopping board should take a few seconds because I still want to use the same bowl for the. I'm gonna use the same bowl for defrosting the veggies. I like the frozen veggies. I love them. I love them. Kanye kuzikhandla, ngifuna ukuzimela, ngibe nento zami, khaya kudumele. So like my missus said, love yourself, love your family, believe in yourself. That's the most important thing. Believe in yourself. And once you've achieved all that, everything will fall into place. Okay, I'm done, guys, with the dishes. I'll start prepping the veggies. Let me prep the veggies. My daughter, my daughter, my daughter. My daughter. Just this bit. Daughter, what's going on, my baby? Tomorrow you're going to school. Are you happy? Good girl, good girl. Are you going to cry at school? No. Good girl, my love. Good girl, my love, good girl. Go and watch some TV. Daughter, can did you bath? Okay, I'll do that, my babe. Phesheya ngolwandle Angela say Dubai. And broccoli. I think that's good enough, guys. What do you think? I'm in trouble for this. This will go into the bin also. I'll just add a bit of broccoli. Though you are making noise. You are making noise, my baby. Rather wait for the boys to come back, then I'll start prepping for the pizza because I need some cheese. The one that we have in the fridge, we're gonna use it for something else. Where's the cheese? Where's the cheese? Not the feta cheese. Baby, did you? Oh, yeah, this one. Yeah, we're gonna use it for something else next week. So we're not gonna use this for cooking today. Baby, you want something to drink? So we're gonna defrost this. Just a few minutes should go. I'll just put 2 minutes to it. I think 2 minutes should be enough. I'll put this away. I'll use it for the pizza later on. So I'll put it here. I'll put the Caesar away. I'm done with it for now. We clean as we go. We clean as we go, guys. We clean the kitchen as we go. I don't want a messy kitchen. Wow, the aroma smells so good. Smells so good. Let's just check out the air fryer. It's getting there. Getting there, guys. It's getting there. In the meantime, what can we talk about? Let's find something to talk about. Eli, I love this song. Yes, name is Eli, opposition song. Yes, name is I'm thirsty. I'm gonna put it away. Sexo genum danso. Sasa kasintomiam. Nena lento de nisi sono. The veggies are ready. Just gonna drop them in this. Is it a carousel or what? I don't know what the name of this bowl. Next, I'll leave some for the pizza later. Just a bit, not that much. Feta cheese. Just gonna add a bit of feta cheese as well as this. What's this called? It's just the lettuce, green freely lettuce. We got this from Food Lovers Market as well. Let's do 3 leaves. This should be good, eh? Good enough. Then I'll put this in the fridge. Let's check the meat. It's getting there. The meat is getting there, guys. It's getting there. Nice and crispy. A couple of minutes, it'll be good. Rulenani, masebiza amagama empumelelo, ngavela milikhona. Khumbule nani, masebiza amagama empumelelo. Add a bit of feta cheese. This should be good enough. Add more. Corn. The meat is cooked. Let's start. My cooking is not that good, guys, but I try. At least my family appreciates it, so I try. I try, even though it's not that good. I try, make it tasty, look nice. You guys can rate my work out of 10 in the comment section. Just drop a comment. If it's any good, if you think it's any good, hit the like button. If you think it's not good, I don't know. I hope it's good and taste. We'll get some wine when I come back.
Your life, guys.
Yeah, life. Uh, dressing. The Italian. That's what we have in the fridge, guys. Italian creamy salad dressing. It tastes good though. It tastes good. Let's stop frying. Let me just add a bit of maybe 5 minutes. Take down 5 minutes at 200 degrees. Start. I'm gonna add a bit of salad dressing to give it a bit of taste also. Mthwalo wami uyangisinda, ngiyacela ngiphathise. Good music from Zahara, guys. I think the meat is getting ready now. Umthwalo wami uyangisinda. I know my singing is bad, but I try. Langiphathise, daughter. Are you hungry? You are not hungry. You want ubatana? Why? Ungisake. Ubataraga, my love. You want to go to the salon? Okay. Let's just wait for the boys and then we'll go again. That's I wanna go. The meat is good. The meat is okay now. I've just added the meat. To me, it looks good. I don't know what you guys will think about it. I'll just show you the final product. I don't like tasting food, so I'm not gonna taste how the food tastes like. So you'll bear with me. You'll bear with me. I'm not good at that. We'll go and buy it over go at the shop later. You are not going out today. So who's going to take your daughter to the salon to get her hair done? Do? It's here. Here's the final product, guys. Here's the final. We are going now, daughter. I'll take you to the salon now. Here's the final product, guys. I don't know if you guys can get a clear view or what, but this is what I made. Okay, it is. The hairdresser is calling. Hey, just tell her what you want the little girl to do. Now take her now. Okay, I'll take her to the hairdresser now. So I'm almost done. I'm wrapping up. I'm taking my little girl to do her hair. I'll just do maybe a clip while we're doing her hair. I don't know. I'll see how it goes. I hope it doesn't take long though. Go get your shoes. This is how it looks like. And then I'll get a drink and then maybe put a drink next to it. There you go. This should move the side for the display. And then this. What is the class? No, doesn't look good. Maybe the wine glass will do. This is it. Tell me guys what you think in the comment section. If I'm any good, let me know. I'll do more of this video and something in between. This is me signing out. I'll just do the pizza with you a short clip on the pizza later on during the day. Cheers guys.